In this video, we're going to talk about putting grades in or grading an assignment using the grading guide. So first off, I'm logged in as a student. I'm going to go into this assignment. And so I have add submission, and then I have my grading guide, which tells me my different criteria for each grade and the maximum score for that grade. So if I go in and do this as a student, I can see ahead of time what the grading criteria is going to be. As a faculty member in this course, if I go into this assignment that has a grading guide, and I'm going to go to view all submissions. So if I go to grade this student, obviously nothing's been turned in, I have over to the side my grading guide. Now there's three options at the bottom right corner. If I click on the first option and there's little three icons in the bottom right corner, it will collapse the preview of the assignment, so I just have the grading guide. The middle one will show the preview and the grading guide. The right hand one will show just the preview of the assignment. I like this first one where I see the grading guide, and the idea behind this is this is the criteria, the learning objective that we're measuring, and this is kind of a statement of how I'm measuring that. I can give feedback here, and then I can type in a grade. So this can be anything from 0 to 20 points. So I could give this a 15. I could come down to this next one and give it a 20. And then I could come down here and give this one a grade. So it lets me put any grade between 0 and the number used for that criteria. And then I can put content or comments in these blocks here. I can also give general feedback, and I can upload a file. If I hit Save Changes, you'll see now that the grade for this not only was graded based on these points, but this grading guide is lower than the value, the max value of this assignment. So it shifted everything up to that scale for me. So this is out of 100 points, and my grading guide is only worth 65. So it shifted this 55 points up to that 100-point scale, giving me 84.6. So that's how I would grade those type of assignments.